Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of having a bank account that is overflowing with money? If so, then it's time to discover the power of digital products. In today's digital age, there are countless opportunities for individuals to create and sell their own digital products, allowing them to boost their bank accounts and achieve financial freedom. In this article, we will guide you through 5 simple steps that will show you how to leverage the potential of digital products and start earning money online. Step 1. Identify your expertise. The first step in creating successful digital products is identifying your area of expertise. What skills or knowledge do you possess that could be valuable to others? Whether it's graphic design, writing, programming, or even cooking, everyone has something unique they can offer. By leveraging your expertise and passion into a digital product, you can create something truly valuable. Step 2. Research market demand. Once you have identified your expertise, it's crucial to research market demand. Are there people out there who are willing to pay for what you have to offer? Conduct thorough market research using online tools like Google Trends or social media platforms such as Facebook groups or forums related to your niche. This will help ensure that there is a viable market for your product before investing time and effort into its creation. Step 3. Create high-quality content. After validating market demand, it's time to create high-quality content for your digital product. Whether it's an ebook, online course, software program, or any other type of downloadable content, focus on delivering value above all else. Remember that quality matters more than quantity. Customers want solutions that solve their problems effectively. Step 4. Set up an online storefront. Now that your product is ready for the world, it's important to set up an online storefront to showcase and sell your digital products. Platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce, or Gumroad offer user-friendly interfaces that allow you to create a professional-looking store in minutes. Ensure that your storefront is visually appealing and easy to navigate, making it effortless for potential customers to find and purchase your products. Step 5. Market your digital products. Finally, marketing is the key to success when it comes to selling digital products. No matter how amazing your product may be, it won't generate sales if people don't know about it. Utilize various marketing strategies such as social media advertising, content marketing, email campaigns, or influencer collaborations to reach your target audience effectively. By consistently promoting your digital products across different channels and platforms, you will increase visibility and drive more traffic towards your online store. In conclusion, by following these 5 simple steps, identifying expertise, researching market demand, creating high-quality content, setting up an online storefront, and implementing effective marketing strategies, you can boost your bank account with digital products. The power of the internet provides endless opportunities for individuals like yourself to monetize their skills and knowledge while helping others solve problems at the same time. Remember that building a successful business takes time and effort. Don't expect overnight results. Stay focused on delivering value through high-quality content and continuously improving both your product offerings and marketing efforts. So why wait? Start today by taking action on these steps. Embrace the world of digital entrepreneurship. There's never been a better time than now to leverage the power of technology for financial freedom. Boosting your bank account with digital products is within reach. All it takes is determination, creativity, and perseverance.